Good morning, student. How are you all? In previous class, we were talking about cartilage. Today, we'll study about a next topic, which is bone. Bone is solid, rigid, inflexible, hardest, and in strongest connective tissue, which is generally present in bony fishes and tetrapods. Tetrapods like amphibians, reptiles, apes, and mammalia. Generally, bones are consist of osteocyte, which is known as bone cells, as well as matrix. Matrix also categorized in two parts. Some parts are generally consist of organic matters like oceans, or these portions are generally consist about 35 to 40% of total matrix. Second is inorganic matter. It generally consists of 65 to 60 to 65% of total matrix, and it have generally the phosphate, sulfate, carbonate, fluorides of calcium and magnesium. Most abundant mineral is known as calcium phosphate. It is very important for it. The most abundant mineral is known as calcium phosphate. These all minerals generally like phosphate, sulfate, carbonate, fluorides of calcium and magnesium provide hardness to bone. Next one is in long bone like femur as well as humerus have a special cavity is present which is known as marrow, and in this cavity a special type of vascular tissue is generally present which is known as bone marrow. It is two types, red bone marrow as well as yellow bone marrow. Red bone marrow, what is the functions of red bone marrow? This is very important. Red bone marrow generally forms RBC, red blood cells, as well as granular leukocytes. You know very well, WBC also categorized in two parts, granulocytes as well as agranulocytes. The red bone marrow generally forms granulocytes WBC, and yellow bone marrow generally it stores fat cells, and in emergency it can also produce uh, erythrocytes. A wall of bone have a special types of canal generally present. The wall of bone generally categorized in two part: periosteum or endosteum. Osteum known as peristemium or osteostemium. In the wall of bone, a special types of canal generally present, which is known as Hervatian canal. In these canals, nerve cells, blood cells, as well as lymph vessels are present. So this is all about bone, components of bone. And now next is the functions. So what is the functions of bone? You know very well, it provides a framework to organisms, and it also protect or delicate organs of individuals, just like it protects heart, lungs, a brain, and soul. So this is all about बोन, थैंक यू।
स्टॉप कर दिया।
ये ठीक है, थोड़ा इसमें कॉन्फिडेंट आ रहा